How to turn off or on comments notifications on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First open BeReal and now click on your profile here in the top corner, and after that click these 3 points, and here we'll find notifications. Click on it, and once you're here just click turn off or on this one comments option, and then click save, and that's it. It's easy. Then just go back, it will be saved, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.